Welcome everybody to Just Pew It. My name is Andrew, and today we are actually going to shoot a little bit of long range with the howa trakr with the Vortex Crossfire 2. It's the 3 to 9x40 with the po' boy suppressor on there. Let's see how well it does. Alright guys, so I got this bad boy, which by the way, it's actually a Citadel, which is the same thing as howa. I believe they own the same company. It is the trakr 22LR. I got 10 rounds of 40 grain Norma TAC 22. And we got two targets down there. One is at 300, the other is at 250, and because I am running suppressed, I am not using my ears. Let's see how well she does. A little bit low. Way low. Still low. Hit. All right. There it is. All right. So, one, cycles extremely well. Running suppressed, it is definitely point of impact and shift are completely different. So let's load it back up again. 10 more rounds now that I know exactly where it's at. And see how well I can do. I was gonna make a video about zeroing this guy, but unfortunately, I came out here and my target holder was broken, and I have no cardboard or anything out here, and it's about a mile to my car, and I really don't want to walk all the way over there for something to zero this guy on. So I trusted my previous zero, and that's what we're going off of. Now, I do not like how this thing loads. It's kind of a pain in the butt. But for a $200 rifle, you can't go wrong with that. Alright, let's see if I can get a little more hits on this guy. Hit. 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 All right. Honestly, this right here, for the fact that this is a 22LR, $200, cycles great. I mean, that's I think for a box of 50, it was like $4.99. Some Norma TAC. And I mean, that target is 300 yards. So if it can hit 300 yards, not an issue. That's pretty dang amazing, actually. I mean, I think I hit 5 out of 10 on that last, maybe even 6 out of 10. I didn't really count. But other than that, I mean, this guy, phenomenal. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, just pew it. Thanks, guys.